Green Goose gets 2 diodes. With the addition of a riding flat car behind the Green Goose, I needed the ability to extinguish the bright LED taillights on the Goose. You can see on the diagram here I used a double pull double throw switch, although a single pull double throw switch would have worked just fine too, but this is what I had available. And you can see where it feeds down power to the alternating flasher relay for one position. The other position is a constant on directly to the taillights, and then the center position is off. The problem I found is that with the constant on, the power is back feeding through the alternating flasher relay circuit and causing it to buzz. So the solution is to install these diodes, which act as one-way check valves. It prevents the current from flowing the wrong way through the circuit, and that isolates that flasher relay so it only functions as the intended purpose when it's getting power directly from the switch. Here's the switch. We're running through a wigwag flasher, but I also wanted the option to either turn the lights on full or off completely. So I've got a two-way switch here, and I've got 2 diodes coming off of the wigwag flasher to prevent the full on from trying to feed current back through those terminals of the wigwag flasher. Let's take a look and see how it works. Thanks for watching. Goose Goose.